Be hungry for success. Be hungry for achieving your dream because it's you and only you who can do it. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel, The Light Paper. First, let me ask you a question whether you have subscribed to my channel or not. If not, click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload because it will really inspire me and motivate me to make more and more videos for all the students out there. I know in the present situation, COVID situation, we are losing our mind and focus. इतने टाइम से हम लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं एग्जाम्स डिले हो रहा है सब कुछ everything seems to be unplaced amongst lots of uncertainties. We are not being able to focus and study positively. I can really understand each and every student's presence of mind right now, whether the exams will happen or not, होगा या बाद में होगा, डिले होगा, SOPs क्या होगा, अगर if I'm stuck in a containment zone तब क्या होगा. We are really confused and negative right now. I'll tell you one thing, at this moment, this is the time you need to stay positive. You need to be very strong enough to handle this situation and accept all the situation as they are coming to your way, because it's not under our control. You cannot do anything. If you crib about it, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, SOPs नहीं आया, ये नहीं आया, वो नहीं आया, you are just wasting your time and nothing else discussing these things. It's better you study. It's okay एग्जाम हो या नहीं हो, आपका नॉलेज तो बढ़ रहा है. अगर आप एक ही चीज़ को 5 बार पढ़ोगे तो नॉलेज अपने आप बढ़ेगा. फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट जस्ट टेक इट पॉजिटिवली कि एग्जाम्स हुए तो आपको पढ़ना तो है ही, एग्जाम्स नहीं भी हुए तब भी आप पढ़ो ताकि आप और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सको सब्जेक्ट में, राइट? Whenever you feel low, just remind yourself of the day when you registered for this course. Just think about that day. That was your dream. Whatsoever course you are choosing, that is your dream, right? So जब भी you feel low, think about that and start studying, because अभी आप अगर छोड़ दोगे हार मान के, आफ्टर 5 years you will regret कि काश मैं कर लेता. जब आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखोगे CA बनते हुए, CS बनते हुए, CMA बनते हुए, whatsoever. So इसीलिए don't lose hope, don't lose your focus, just study because it will improve your knowledge. What is the harm in doing that? आप सिर्फ मार्क्स के लिए तो नहीं पढ़ रहे हो ना, आपको तो नॉलेज पे मिलना है. एग्जाम्स हुए तो भी ठीक है, एग्जाम्स नहीं हुए तब भी ठीक है, आपको पढ़ते रहना है. और जब भी यू फील कि नहीं पढ़ना, टेक अ ब्रेक, गो आउट, लिसन टू गुड म्यूजिक, वॉच मोटिवेशनल वीडियोज, हैंग आउट, बी विद योर फैमिली, बी विद योर फ्रेंड्स, मेक वीडियो कॉल्स, जस्ट रिफ्रेश योर सेल्फ, जिससे भी आपको रिफ्रेशमेंट मिलता है. बट पैनिक नहीं करना, बिकॉज पैनिक वोंट हेल्प यू. It will just waste your time, it will just waste your energy, your effort and everything. And dreaming about things which are uncertain, which are unavoidable, under which there is no control, क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. सिर्फ टाइम वेस्ट होगा, एफर्ट वेस्ट होगा, एनर्जी वेस्ट होगा. वो सारा एनर्जी आप स्टडीज़ में लगाओ. ऐसे पढ़ो कि यू आर स्टडिंग फॉर योर नॉलेज, क्योंकि आपको ज़िंदगी भर पढ़ना है. यू हैव टू स्टडी द एंटायर लाइफ. Please don't take studies as a burden, as a exams as a burden. It is not burden. Change your perspective. Enjoy studying. Tax, audit, ये सब आपको फ्यूचर में भी काम आएगा. तो अभी वैसे ही पढ़ो ना कि आप enjoy कर रहे हो, आप अपना knowledge gain कर रहे हो. It will help you in your in your CA career, in your anything which whatever you do in your life. It will help you. Just change your perspective of studies only. It is not a burden. It is a path to gain knowledge, to experience yourself with the things which will help you in future. Please do not study for your marks, for your rewards. Study for your knowledge, for your excellence. Success will come your way. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर आपको रैंक मिलेगा तभी आपको अच्छी कंपनी में प्लेसमेंट मिलेगी, ये होगा वो होगा. नो, योर नॉलेज विल स्पीक. सो प्लीज study properly, gain your knowledge, clear your concepts, clear your understanding of the subjects, ताकि future में anybody ask you a question, you are in for it, you know it. Just place yourself in the best position of the future, the way you want to see yourself, the way you dream yourself, the way you vision yourself. It's completely your choice whether you just want to think and think and think, or work and work and work. Okay, it's your choice, it's your priority. Study hard, stay positive, you will achieve it. And just think about the day when you will become a CA. If you leave it right now, after 5 years, bet me on it, you will regret कि काश मैं नहीं छोड़ा. Okay, and if you become a CA on the top, you'll stand and see other students who left it behind, or who could not do it, who were too lazy to work hard. And that day you will feel, wow, I could do it. So students, that's all on how to stay positive, acquire your dream, and work hard for that. I really hope this video will be useful to all of you. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And much love to all of you. Thank you so much.